and see which one we're going to choose.
Okay.
In the meantime, you guys at home, let's see what Tat Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates has for us today.
So we recently got a phone call from a homeowner that was really frustrated because they were dealing with their insurance companies only to find out that they weren't able to qualify for the maximum deduction because they hadn't done anything to replace the old garage door which led from the garage to their outside walkway. So we were able to help them with a great option that's going to not only solve their problem with their insurance deduction, but it's also going to provide them the extra benefit of allowing the natural light into the space and give them that work area that they wanted to enjoy. So we'll see how everything goes today. I know the installation is going to go perfectly. So this installation went perfectly, and I know the family only wanted to address this concern in their garage. They had already had their hurricane windows replaced throughout the entire home. The only thing that left to do was this garage door, and now they qualify for the insurance discounts that their insurance company offered them if they protected the entire envelope of the home. Also, we replaced the window above. They had a really solid door with no light coming in. So instead of going with a tall door, we went with a standard size door with a transom picture window on top to allow more natural light into the space as well. They also wanted something that would provide them certainly great hurricane protection and great security. So with the locking system on this door, it really gives them the great security lock that they wanted. We were able to get them a lifetime hurricane glass breakage warranty and lifetime warranties that cover all the moving parts on the door, so the family will never have to replace anything as it regards to this particular door while they're here. So we were able to take care of all these concerns for this family. The installation went perfectly, and now they're fully protected and they're going to qualify for those insurance discounts, so they're really excited about that. Back to you, Martin.
Thank you, Tat. Okay, so we have a verdict, right?
Right.
Yes.
And that is option B.